Here's a question that's worth asking yourself. Are you building wealth or are you simply paying bills? There's a big difference, and understanding it could completely change your financial future. Many of us get caught in the cycle of earning money, paying expenses, and repeating that process month after month. There's nothing wrong with paying your bills. They're an important part of life. But if every dollar only goes toward today's expenses, your future never has the opportunity to grow. Building wealth doesn't always require a huge income. It starts by intentionally setting aside part of what you earn for your future. Even small, consistent decisions made over time can create meaningful progress. Every paycheck is another opportunity to move one step closer to your financial goals. Think of it like climbing a mountain. Each step might seem small while you're walking, but eventually you reach a view you could never see from the bottom. Your financial journey works exactly the same way. Consistency matters far more than perfection. So let me ask you, what's one financial habit you're working on improving this year? Every journey toward financial confidence begins with one intentional decision, and today's decision could make a difference years from now. If you're ready to move beyond simply paying bills and start building a stronger financial future, I'd love to connect with you. Click the link below and complete the short form. Once you submit it, I'll personally reach out to answer your questions. I'll learn more about your goals and share practical strategies that may help you build long-term financial confidence. There's absolutely no pressure, just a conversation. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you in the next video.